This is like if MIT had a marching band. This is what it would be. I love it. It's so different and so amazing, and it's so unique. I love the robot. I love the electricity.
Well, that was one of the most incredible auditions I've seen in my life, bar none.
What you do is fabulous, but it's all a bit too technical for me.
Okay, well, let's vote. Howie, yes or no?
Oh, yes, sirree.
Sharon?
No, gentlemen, but thank you.
One yes, one no.
ArcAttack, there are moments in history, you know, from the moon landings onwards when you just feel like you're a part of something new and exciting. And I believe your arrival on this show has come at the perfect time, and I'm going to say yes. See you